How to add slide numbers in Point. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open PowerPoint. Then make sure you add new slide on your PowerPoint. After that, simply click on Insert and you'll find Header and Footer options. Click on Header and Footer. In here, make sure there is tick mark in slide number. And also, don't show on title slide. Click on Apply or click on Apply to, and you're good to go. Numbers will be shown on your slide. That's how you add slide numbers in PowerPoint. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.